Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the Sharpage update. I am Deepak Tiwari explaining you the topic motion. Friends, as you know that a tree, a building and electric pole are fixed at a particular place. Means these are stationary. But on the other hand, a man, a car, a bus, animals, birds do not remain stationary all the time. They move one place to other place. So, the movement of the body is called motion. Hence, the definition of the motion is a body is said to be in motion if it changes its place with respect to the stationary bodies. In order to study the motion, first of all, we have to know two terms, that is distance and displacement. Distance and displacement. Friends, in daily life or in everyday life, these two terms has same sense. But in the language of physics, these two terms has big differences. और हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो डेली लाइफ है उस डेली लाइफ में डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट को हम एक तरह से यूज कर लेते हैं, लेकिन साइंस की लैंग्वेज में डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट में काफी अंतर होता है. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू टर्म्स आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग हियर विद एन एग्जांपल. सपोज अ पर्सन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए, goes to point B, and then he goes to point C, again he goes to point D. So the distance traveled by the person is AB plus BC plus CD. Means distance is AB plus BC plus CD. But displacement is the distance between the point A and point D. Point A and point D. This is the displacement and this is the distance. So, we can define the distance as distance is the path covered by a body, or you can say that distance is the original length of the path covered by a moving object or a moving body. But the displacement is the shortest distance in straight line. Remember, I am saying shortest distance in straight line between the final position and the initial position of a moving object. Means डिस्प्लेसमेंट को हम डिफाइन कैसे कर रहे हैं? डिस्प्लेसमेंट इनिशियल पोजीशन और फाइनल पोजीशन के बीच की जो स्ट्रेट लाइन डिस्टेंस है उसे हम कहते हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट. अगेन, डिस्टेंस इज द टोटल पाथ कवर्ड बाय अ मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट. डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस from the initial position to the final position of a moving object. Now, here AB plus BC plus CD is the distance followed by person, but displacement equal to AB. Displacement is AB and distance is AB plus BC plus CD. If we want to find the displacement then we have to find the shortest distance between the initial position and the final position of a moving object. Now, distance is always positive, but displacement may be zero also. How? Displacement zero कैसे हो सकता है? Here, I am explaining with an example. Suppose a person is following on a circular path. He starts from point A, and after moving along the circumference of this circular path and stops at the same point. उस सर्कुलर पाथ को फॉलो करके मूव कर रहा है और ए पॉइंट से चलना स्टार्ट किया था, ए पॉइंट पर ही वापस आकर के रुक जाता है. मींस उसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट और फिनिशिंग पॉइंट कौन सा है? बोथ आर द पॉइंट ए. तो डिस्टेंस इन दिस केस, if this circle has the radius as r, then the distance traveled by the person equal to 2 pi r, because the circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So distance traveled by the person equal to 2 pi r. But the displacement traveled by the displacement of this person is zero. Why? Because person starts from point at point A and stops on the same point. So his initial point and finishing point are the same point. There is no distance between the initial position and final position. So the displacement is zero. Again, by another example, if a person starts from point A, he goes to point B, then he goes to point C, and then he stops again at point A. From A to B, he travels 3 meters. From B to C, he travels 5 meters. From C to A, he travels 7 meters. So in this case, distance equal to AB plus BC plus CA, means AB plus BC plus CA. So equal to AB means 3 meter, BC means 5 meter, and CA means 7 meter. So 3 plus 5 plus 7 equal to 15 meter. Means distance in this case will be 15 meter. But if we have to find the displacement in this case, then displacement will be कितनी होगी displacement इस केस में? Displacement will be zero. Why? Because the person starts from point A and he stops on the same point. So there is no distance between the starting point and the finishing point. So displacement is equal to zero. So these are the two examples by which we can see that distance is always positive, but the displacement will be positive और मे बी जीरो. डिस्टेंस कभी भी जीरो नहीं हो सकती. डिस्प्लेसमेंट पॉजिटिव भी हो सकती है एज इन दिस केस, और डिस्प्लेसमेंट जीरो भी हो सकती है जैसा कि मैंने आपको इन दो एग्जांपल्स के जरिए एक्सप्लेन किया. नाउ द यूनिट ऑफ distance and displacement remains same. There is no difference between the units between these two terms. The unit of distance, SI unit I am saying, meter. SI unit distance की meter है, and the SI unit of displacement is also represented by the meter. I am writing here letter M for representing meter. So there is no difference between the SI unit of the distance and displacement. Similarly, the CGS unit of distance is represented by centimeter, and again the CGS unit of displacement is represented by centimeter. So you can see here the SI unit of both, that is displacement and distance, is represented by meter, and the CGS unit of both represented by centimeter. But there is a very big difference between distance and displacement in the sense of direction. Distance is a scalar quantity and displacement is a vector quantity. Now, what are scalar quantities and what are vector quantities? Scalar quantities means those quantities which have magnitude only but no direction. And vector quantities are those quantities which have magnitude as well as direction. For example, in this case, person starts from point A, goes to point B, then goes to point C, and then he goes to point D. So for finding the distance, there is no importance of direction. हमें केवल इस केस में वो कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल कर रहा है, कितनी लेंथ ट्रेवल कर रहा है, उससे मतलब है, हमें वो किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है उससे कोई लेना देना नहीं. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वांटिटी इज नोन एज स्केलर क्वांटिटी. बट हम यहां पर देख सकते हैं, और यू कैन सी फॉर फाइंडिंग द डिस्प्लेसमेंट वी हैव अ डायरेक्शन दैट इज फ्रॉम बिटवीन ए एंड डी ओनली. हमें इस डायरेक्शन से इस डायरेक्शन से इस डायरेक्शन से कोई मतलब नहीं, हमें पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन चाहिए, द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बिटवीन द पॉइंट ए एंड डी. सो डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी एंड डिस्टेंस इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी. स्केलर एंड वेक्टर. Again, I am saying scalar quantities are those quantities which have magnitude only but no direction, and vector quantities are those quantities which have magnitude as well as direction. So distance has no direction but it has magnitude. Magnitude is the numerical value or the size of the distance. Magnitude means here in this case 15 is the magnitude. In this case 2 pi r is the magnitude. In this case AB plus BC plus CD, the sum of these three terms is magnitude. हमें इसमें डायरेक्शन से कोई मतलब नहीं है. So this is the magnitude, means scalar quantities have only magnitude but no direction. But vector quantities have magnitude as well as direction. So by explaining these two terms, we can say that distance is scalar quantity and displacement is vector quantities. Friends, in next video, I will explain you the difference between speed and velocity. Till then, goodbye. Please like and subscribe the channel, that is the Sharpage update.